Welcome back to CDI. I am Piyush Chankeshwara, International Certified Choreographer and member of International Dance Council, that is CID. As well as I am the founder and CEO of Choreographers Dance Institute. In today's episode, we are going to see how to set the goals and how to make career in dance field. So let's start. Begin with how to set goals. लाईफ मध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही गोल सेट करत नाही तेव्हा तुम्ही लाईफला दिशाहीन बनवताय. In that case, whenever you want to do or achieve something in your life, you have to set the goals. In whichever field you want to do career, you have to set the goals for that. Now, how to set the goals? In dance field, in dance career, we have many options like dance teacher, dancers and choreographers, dance directors. So you have to choose the first goal, what you want to be. Basically, your goal should be for beginners, you will be a dance student. And then you can decide what do you want to become, a professional dancer or a dance teacher or instructor or a dance choreographer. Suppose you want to become an engineer and your hobby is a dance, then focus on engineering and just learn the dance in a hobby way. It is not compulsion that if you want to do career, then only you can learn dance. So in this situation, you have to first decide and define what you want to become. जर तुम्हाला इंजिनिअरिंग करून डान्स कोरिओग्राफर किंवा डान्स टीचर किंवा प्रोफेशनल डान्सर बनायचं असेल तर तुम्ही इंजिनिअरिंगचा टाइम वेस्ट करताय. आणि जर तुम्हाला कोरिओग्राफर किंवा डान्स टीचरचे सिलेबस घेऊन त्याचे सर्टिफिकेशन्स घेऊन आणि परत तुम्ही इंजिनिअरिंग करणार असता तर तुम्ही डान्स टीचरचा जो दिलेला टाइम आहे तो पूर्णतः वेस्ट करताय. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. अगर आप गोल्स डिसाइड नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप गोल घूमते रह जाओगे. अगर आप किसी बस में जा रहे हो या किसी ट्रेन में जा रहे हो, आपको पता ही नहीं कि कहाँ पे उतरना है, आपका गोल क्या है, आपका डेस्टिनेशन क्या है, तो यू विल बी जस्ट मूविंग अलॉन्ग विद द ट्रेन एंड देयर विल बी नो डेस्टिनेशन फॉर यू. So my dear friends, decide the goals, what you want to become and then choose the career as you want. In this situation we have two options. Like this is your hobby, like dance is your hobby and passion, but you are confused or if you have a botheration of your parents and relatives to do something else they want. You have the option that do dance as a hobby, learn dance as a hobby as much you can, do what your parents are saying to you, and after that achievement you can earn from that degree or that field and invest in a dance field and then do the career along with that your field. This is the better option. Then your parents will say nothing to you if you're earning properly in your field, and some amount of that earning you can invest to learn dance professionally. And then if your luck is there with you, if your passion is dance, then definitely you will earn more than what you are earning now in your field. Because I believe that if your hobby is your passion and then you convert into profession, you will earn as much you can and it will be fun for you. And if something is fun for you, you will enjoy lifetime. It is not going to be bore for you. So just remember that before deciding anything, you have to find your passion. If you love to do dance on stage and perform it, your career would be a professional dancer. or if you love to teach the students or small kids, small children, then you may be a good teacher, you may become the good teacher or instructor. And else, if you have that knowledge or interest to create a new steps or new style, in that case you are the best choreographer in future. In that case you will be the best choreographer in future, because choreographer's duty is to create new steps, create new styles, instruct the teacher, tell and train the teacher in their field how to teach the students, or you can create a dancer's future who is a professional dancer. So you have some kinds of options in dance field that you will be more happier. But before that, now if you are in 10th or 11th, here is a breakdown point that you have to choose properly and wisely your career. You can make fool the world by doing what they want to do and do that thing, but inside you think about your passion and think how can you become more professional in that way. How is it possible? I'm not going to say that cheat the world, but my dear friends, life comes one time in this whole universe where we are in a human beings. This is not like repetitions, or no one knows who will be you after the day. In that case, one life is there. Do as much you can do in this life and do what you want to do. ये जो कहावत है ना, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, ये सच्ची में एक बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव कहावत है। हर एक जन आज वही सोच रहा है कि क्या कहेंगे ये लोग, या क्या कहेंगे ये मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स, और ये एंड वो एंड दैट एंड दिस एंड दैट। हर एक जन यही सोच रहा है कि क्या कहेंगे मुझे, अगर मैंने डांस किया तो मेरे पेरेंट्स क्या कहेंगे, मैंने डांस किया तो मेरे रिश्तेदार क्या कहेंगे, या फिर ये लोग क्या कहेंगे, वो लोग क्या कहेंगे। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थिंक दैट दिस लाइफ इज फॉर यू और नॉट फॉर देम। If in this life you are not deciding what you want to do, you are wasting the life. This is not coming back. If the time passes through, you can't go back and change the time and change the past. So do what you want to do, but think properly that any field is suitable for you. I recommend you to do the career in that way where you can do easily and you can't be bored, you will be having fun, then the career is suitable for you and success rate is too much high in this field if you are enjoying what you are doing. Steve Jobs said that do that thing which you love the most, then think over it before deciding anything. My students who are learning with me, this video is for you guys. So if you are interested to learn dance for hobby, learn it fully passionately, and no one knows the dots are connecting in future. So just learn it now in a professional way. In future maybe this knowledge will help you to make your career more better. Any field, dancing or engineering, doctor, whatever you want to do, you can use this knowledge in that field to make everyone happy, stress free, because dance is to just express your feelings and entertainment is for others. Those who are dancers, they just express their feelings and audience are entertaining themselves by seeing you. So remember, dance is not like wasting your money, but it is like investing you for future times. I will sum up these all things in the short line that seriously you love to dance, then first you have to learn it properly in all styles. Minimum, I will say you have to learn 3 to 4 dance styles if you want to be a professional dance teacher, professional dancer or a choreographer. choreographers actually needs lots of knowledge about regarding every dance style, but for dance teacher and a dance professional dancer, you have options like you can learn minimum 5 dance styles or 3 dance styles or 4 dance styles. Above, I will say 4 or 5 dance styles you have to learn. It is compulsory for each and every professional dancer and teacher, because you will be the versatile dancer in this field. सो आय होप की तुम्हाला आजचा हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल आणि तुम्ही काहीतरी नवीन माहिती घेतली असेल जे आजपर्यंत तुमच्यासाठी अनोळखी होती. आय विल टीच यू बचाटा, बॉलिवूड, साल्सा, कंटेम्पररी अँड मेनी मोर डान्स स्टाईल्स इन CDI. जर अजून अशीच तुम्हाला डीप माहिती हवी असेल, डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन हवी असेल आणि प्रोफेशनल डान्स शिकायचा असेल तर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समधील दिलेल्या नंबरवर कॉन्टॅक्ट करा आणि तुम्हाला सूट होईल जो तुमच्यासाठी बनलेला आहे तो डान्स स्टाईल आणि तो कोर्स चूज करा आणि त्याची माहिती घ्या आणि बी द प्रोफेशनल डान्सर. डान्स इज वेटिंग फॉर यू गाईज, हरी अप. सो आय होप की लवकरात लवकर तुम्ही तुमचं सीट बुक करचाल आणि तुम्हाला आवडणारा कोर्स जॉईन करचाल. जर तुम्ही इथंपर्यंत व्हिडिओ बघितला असेल तर प्लीज आय रिक्वेस्ट यू टू सबस्क्राईब आवर चॅनल, like the video and share as much as you can. I recommend you to share those people who are interested to learn dance, because हे एपिसोड सर्वांसाठी आहे ज्यांना डान्समध्ये खूप इंटरेस्ट आहे. हे मॅटर नाही करत की तुम्ही डान्स कधी शिकला आहात का नाही. सो शेअर ॲज मच यू कॅन. सो गाईज, सी यू ऑन नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. टिल देन, बी हॅपी, स्टे सेफ अँड ऑलवेज कीप डान्सिंग.